Alright, welcome to my channel. It's Lock Check. What I'm working on today is this Medeco Biaxial payphone lock. You see a little biaxial symbol there. It's 4 pins. I did cut the top off here to make it where I can get it. So let's see if I can. It will only turn to the right. So I'm going to try to pick and rotate at the same time. Alright, I can't really lift too well with that one, so I'm going to just go in with flat and just try to make sure everything's lifted. Alright, just dropped into a false set. That kind of tells me that everything's right at shear. I just don't have the rotation right to get the sidebar to set. So we'll go in and feel around, see if anybody doesn't feel like it's right. Again, pin 1. Pin 1 is binding pretty hard, so it doesn't feel like it's in the right orientation. Just letting off a bit of tension while I'm trying to turn. Okay, it's starting to click for me, so I'm gonna leave it alone. 2's already clicky. 3, I think I just got it lined up because I got a deeper false set. And 4, I just got another. Feel like it went into a gate because, well, there we go. So it is open, the bolts retract. So, and that's 4-pin Medeco Biaxial. Do a quick gut, show everything is in there correctly. Okay. Nope. I guess I'll lock it back up first. Lock it back up. Alright, pin 1 is a mushroom driver. Let's see. What did I do with the spring? This thing not have a spring in it? You gotta be kidding me. No freaking spring? Or did it shoot out and I didn't see it? Alright, sorry about that. I believe I just, well, I'm gonna tell you what happened. When I hit it a while ago like this, I had the spring there, and when I hit it, I hit the spring and it shot off that way. I'm gonna try to show if this will show it, a instant replay of that pin going, yeah, boom, over there. Lord have mercy. Anyway, so there is the key pin. See, it has the false, well, like serrations all the way around. It has one false gate. Let's see if I can get it to focus on this instead of me hitting my finger. Come on. Alright, so where'd the gate go? Come on. Alright, so there's the true gate. I got my pick in it now, right there. So there's the true gate. There's a false gate just beside it there. See that false gate, hopefully. But there, it doesn't go as deep. It is a false gate, right? Alright. Let's see if I can get this apart without shooting any more pins across my nasty disc. I gotta clean up, really. I know. But I get more interested in picking than cleaning, so okay. This one does have a spring in it. If I don't shoot this one across. Okay. Okay. Alright, so that one has a, looks like a steel standard pin for drill protection and same type of chisel. There's a spring and there's another standard pin. Assuming they're type of anti-drill. There is the chisel tip. And the fourth one. There's the spring. Another mushroom. And there's the chisel point. Sorry. Alrighty. Let's see. So that's there. I wonder if I've never pulled the core out of one. Let's make this gutting disaster even worse, right? Okay. Okay. Come out. It's the sidebar. Okay. So there's the sidebar. Drill protection in front of it. I'm assuming there is. Yep, there's some springs there. And all four nubs are on the sidebar. Gotcha. Alrighty. Alright. That's about as far as I'm going to take it. I'll put this back together. Alright. Thanks for watching.